Last month, Motorola launched its latest flagship smartphone in the Chinese market called the Moto X40. The smartphone is expected to come to the global market soon, bearing the Motorola Edge 40 Pro moniker. The device has already appeared on FCC, TDRA, and Geekbench, hinting at an imminent launch. Now, a new report from Apple's has revealed the design of the upcoming Edge 40 Pro, further confirming that it is indeed a rebrand of the Moto X40. The renders reveal two color options for the upcoming device, black and blue. The design is exactly the same as the X40, which in other words means that it has a curved back with a square-shaped camera island. The phone's 50MP primary camera sensor is confirmed by the inscription on the camera module. The phone sports a hole punch cutout in the upper center of its curved display on the front. The bezels at the top and bottom are also incredibly thin. On the right edge of the phone are also the power and volume keys. Additionally, there will be an in-display fingerprint scanner. Other than the renders, the report also lists the specifications of the Edge 40 Pro while also mentioning its pricing. There will be a 6.67-inch curved OLED display on the device capable of FHD+ resolution, 165Hz refresh rate, and DC dimming. It will be powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which will be supported by a 4,600 mAh battery. The battery will have 125W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. It will utilize a custom Android 13 skin, which will be close to a stock experience. For optics, there will be a 50MP primary camera with OIS, aided by a 50MP ultra-wide unit and a 12MP telephoto lens. As for selfies, the phone will carry a 60MP sensor. Lastly, as per unnamed sources, the Moto Edge 40 Pro will come with a single 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage option, which will cost €850.